McDonald's. We're here. So we're at Ol Macdonald. We're finally here. We kind of had a hiccup this morning because the hitch was not working. I think the motor wasn't running, so we were a little bit late. But we're here now. It's about 6 o'clock. And I'm so happy. I'm so excited to do the fun activities here. We got a lot of things that we want to do. There's a farmer's market. There's the farm, the ice cream. They have a new building here. I don't know what it is, but we're going to check it out. And there's a beach. There's a lot of fun things here. So I'm so excited to show you guys what we're going to do this weekend. Right now, Dad is just setting up camp. Mom is also getting all the food ready and all the stuff getting unpacked. And I'm just chilling, reading some books, just relaxing. It's just so beautiful out here. I love just looking at the scenery and the beautiful hills. So beautiful. One of the great things about this campground is that it's all in the nature. There's a lot of fields, lots of farms, and it's just beautiful here. It's a great place for families, and there's so much great things to do here. I love coming here. This is probably my third time here, and I really like it. It's really relaxing coming here. It is the end of the summer, and I'm really sad it's getting over with, but we're gonna make the most of it, and we're gonna have family along the way. One of my favorite things to do here is go on the go-karts. You can ride these little vehicles and you can drive them around the area of the campsite. So it's really fun. It's kind of like being in Mario Kart. And 2 people can sit in each one, and they're so fun. There's a kid's version and there's like an adult-sized version. So we're probably gonna do that. It's really hard to pedal sometimes, but we're gonna find a good one, and it's gonna be so much fun. Matching! Matching! Ah, so cool! Hi! We're gonna ride that! Cruzy, do you like it? So cool! So cool! Show me your money! Oh my goodness!
Superstore.
She found more!
And then the lady gave me 7. And then the lady behind me, following me,
Give you for free?
gave her cards to us.
For you!
James and
What? How did you get that many?
We shopped again!
I shopped James.
Uncle James!
Look after me, guys.
It's like 10:30 right now, and I just got up my bed. I'm not going to bed yet because my sister is putting the kids to sleep. So we're just waiting for them to come back outside, and we're just gonna chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to sleep. Good night. These are so cool. Ah!
Oh, that's wicked. You ready?
Yeah, he says.
Ready? 1, 2, hit! Whoa!
Woo!
I'll get you a rocking chair there.
Yeah, Mom, you'll like this. You're
Okay.
gonna want one.
We to make her sandwiches. Yeah, the soup is almost ready.
Kids are not. This is only for Lolo and Lola.
That's cool. They look yummy. Go Cross! Looks so good. Going to the animals, the farm. Sleeping.
Look, he likes it.
They eat the sticks. Like, wait for the donkey. The donkey will eat all the sticks.
Hello.
It's pregnant.
They'll eat sticks.
She's pregnant.
She's pregnant.
She's pregnant.
Hello.
Yeah, she is really big.
Hi. You're so cute.
Pregnant.
Cool.
When they're done.
Park is so huge. Nice. Good job. Wow. So me and Crosby just went out to Grandma's kitchen. We got some ice caps, coffee crisp, and Mom and Dad are biking. Amanda, Cash, and Cruz are all napping. So we're just having a good time.
1, 2, go! Like a Canadian gladiator.
Hockey player.
Go to the sand. It's good when you go to the sand, dry sand.
So cool. We're back at camp and we just made like the biggest moat ever that turned into like a dam. It was so fun. I got really sandy and dirty, so I got a shower tonight. But it's really fun. We're gonna have dinner, we're gonna have sinigang, and it's gonna be really good. Some more. Thumbs up, Cruzy. Which one do you want, Cruzy? That one? Single of mint chocolate, please.
Yeah, get everybody. Can I throw your shoe? Oh my God,
Oh, good. That was good.
Just took a shower. It was a long shower. The token lasted for about 7 minutes. It was pretty nice. I use this to go to sleep. I put it on my mouth and it helps me fall asleep. No snoring. So you peel it off. Good morning. It is Saturday And we're going to the farmer's market. So excited. This is so cute. There's so much stuff I'm going to show you guys that I got. It's so cute. So I got some trinkets from the farmer's market. They are so cute. So the first thing I got is a healing crystal from Mexico. This beautiful green neck bracelet. So pretty on. Really nice. It's so shiny. I love green. And I also got a little sloth. How precious is that? He's so cute. I love it. It's 3D printed. They make them in the summer, or they have their job in the summer and they just make a bunch of these. They're so cute. And then I got these beautiful earrings. I'm going to show you guys what they look up close. So they look like this. They're so beautiful, and they're gold. We have this blue rock, like gemstone. Really pretty. And then the last thing that I got is this axolotl. So cute, but it was so expensive. And it was like $3. So yeah, I got those. They're so cute. Yeah, that's everything that I got. So cute.
She's gonna come back.
Can we play with them here too?
I mean, with a full-size basketball, I'm like,
Nephew Crosby has his friends over here. They're gonna do like an Olympics, and he's having a lot of fun with his friends. So Keita and James and Daryl, my brother, are gonna be coming at like 1 o'clock. So Cruzy's gonna take a nap, and then they're gonna be here, and I'm so excited for them to show up. Hi, Cruzy! Tonight we are going on the train ride at 7 o'clock, and then I think we might watch a movie at the theater, but I'm not too sure what the movie is. We might do that. Might get ice cream again. We're gonna have dinner. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Not really sure what the plan is right now, but we're at the beach, and yeah, it's so nice and relaxing here. It's beautiful, nice and windy. Love it. One thing we might also do is do s'mores, because the kids really love chocolate and marshmallows. So we'll probably make a fire because the kids love it. And maybe we'll play Pekwa. It's a card game. It's really fun. You have to match the suits, and it's really addicting. But the farmer's market was so cool. I loved it. There was nice music and lots of cool crafts and fun things there. We might go on the go-karts. We haven't done that yet. I've seen a bunch of people doing it today. Not very many were doing it yesterday, but they did it today, and I can't wait to ride one of those. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. How pretty that is! Wow, I love. We can put this on the ledge.
yeah.
And a walking stick.
We'll replace your tree.
Oh, this is so cool. Those are so cool. Are you limping?
Some cancer now.
Yum.
5 of those cards. 5 of those least amount of cards away.
Oh, and this is our break, I think, right?
Did you know where your break is? You got a break? Oh, you know it. Okay, let's go.
Hi! Dad! Say hi! Say hi! Hi! Hello! Hi! Hello! Hi! Hi! Hello! That's so funny.
Say please.
Give money!
Kita, this is your first Instagram. This is Kita's first time